In the sunny city of Rosario, Argentina, there lived a young boy named Lionel. He had a big dream, to become the best football player in the world. From a very young age, Lionel loved to play with a small, worn-out football in the streets of his neighborhood. Lionel was not very tall, but he had a heart filled with passion and determination. Every day after school, he would rush to the playground and start practicing his skills. He would dribble the ball through imaginary opponents, zigzagging with lightning speed. His friends would gather around to watch in amazement. One day, a kind-hearted coach named Coach Carlos noticed Lionel's incredible talent. He saw how Lionel danced with the ball, making it seem like it was glued to his feet. Coach Carlos approached young Lionel and said, "You, my boy, have a gift. Would you like to join our local football team?" Lionel's eyes sparkled with excitement as he replied, "Yes, coach, I would love to." From that day forward, Lionel played for the little team in his neighborhood. He trained hard, running around the field, honing his skills and learning new tricks. He dribbled through cones, practiced shooting goals, and worked on his passes. Sometimes he would fall or miss a shot, but he never gave up. He knew that making mistakes was a part of learning and improving. As years passed, Lionel's talent continued to shine. He grew stronger, faster, and even more skillful. His dedication and love for the game were unmatched. People started to notice him, and soon he caught the attention of one of the biggest football clubs in the world, FC Barcelona. Lionel couldn't believe his luck when he received an invitation to join Barcelona's youth academy. It was a dream come true. He moved to Spain with his family, ready to work hard and chase his dreams. At Barcelona, Lionel trained with some of the best coaches and players in the world. He learned new techniques, studied the game, and played with all his heart. He faced challenges along the way, but he never let them discourage him. He knew that with perseverance, anything was possible. One sunny day, Lionel stepped onto the field wearing the famous Barcelona jersey. The crowd cheered as he displayed his incredible skills. He weaved through defenders, scoring goals effortlessly. His teammates marveled at his talent, and soon the whole world took notice. Lionel became a football superstar. He won many trophies, including the prestigious Champions League. He broke records, scoring goals with breathtaking precision. But despite all the fame and success, Lionel remained humble and grateful for the opportunities he had been given. He never forgot his roots and always remembered the little boy who played with a worn-out football in the streets of Rosario. Lionel used his success to inspire other children to chase their dreams. He built schools and football academies to help young talents like him. And so, the young boy named Lionel Messi became a legend, a symbol of hard work, perseverance, and the power of dreams. His journey taught us that no dream is too big, and that with passion and determination, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. And they say that even to this day, if you listen carefully, you can still hear the echoes of young Lionel Messi's footsteps as he dances with the ball, inspiring a new generation of dreamers to follow their hearts and reach for the stars.